Namaskar, my name is Shri Shailendra Kumar Mishra. I am continuing a spoken English class here, and I have covered 37 classes. Now it is class number 38. The class is continuing through YouTube, and I have also a YouTube channel. I have opened, or I have started this class with YouTube channel. By the help of YouTube channel, the name of my YouTube channel is Baba Shailendra Uvacha. I request you to please subscribe the channel and put your like and comments also. One of my friend has commented by watching our video that I have said Ramchandra was very beautiful. When Suparnekha saw a beautiful person, he advised me, Ramachandra was a beautiful person. The word beautiful should not be used at the time of speaking the beautiness of a male person. I should use handsome instead of beautiful. He is a handsome person. That means I had to say Ramachandra was a handsome person, and beautiful we can use at the time of any picture or nature, beautiful sight. But in case of describing a male posture, we should use handsome instead of beautiful. He had said. He had commented in his comment he has said like this, and at the time of speaking the word feel, I speak feel. Feel means पूर्ण करिबा. Feel means अनुभव करिबा. So the pronunciation is not correct at the time of using the word feel. As we are from Odisha, at the time of speaking, we are not able to speak a word perfectly. Earlier we were saying birthday, birthday, birthday. But now the students are saying, those who are from English medium school, they are saying not birthday, birthday. That means bird and a day, birthday. We are saying the number 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But in the place of 5 they are saying 5. So such type of pronunciation we are not able to uttering perfectly. From his comment, I know from his comment that such type of mistake I am doing. It is and, but at the time of saying and I am saying like this, ande, not ande plus, but it is and. We are saying message, it is not message, message, message not message, not ma ye phla akar mya, message. Such type of fault I am doing here, which my friend has suggested not to do, not to speak like this. Always speak clearly, perfectly, by which the students should follow the right word and they will know the right word. In spoken English, the pronunciation is a main part of this subject. According to time, the pronunciation has been changed. So we go through that, otherwise some people could not understand what I am going to say. Earlier it was toilet, in Odia it is paikhana or paikhana. Earlier it was toilet, but in America they are using laboratory, then washroom, and in some 5-star hotel you can see there is no toilet. They are in the place of toilet they are writing restroom. This is American English, but our India was governed by the Britishers, so our vocabulary is like Britishers, not like Americans. We are saying fire from our, when we were in school, FIRE, fire, but they are saying fire. Such type of difference of pronunciation we are facing, and pronunciation should be clear. Pronunciation should be clear, otherwise the student could not able to understand our voice, what we are going to say to him. We have already read about permission, prediction, request, state or avastha, habits, order or command, necessity. Now we are continuing the chapter necessity. There are some sentences in present tense also, future tense also, and past tense also. We have covered in our last class about past tense and present tense also. Now we are going to read the chapter like this. This is class number 38. आवश्यकता सूचक वाक्य नेसेसिटी. तुमर एटा प्रेजेंट टेंस अच्छी ए वाक्यटा तुमर कटक जीवा आवश्यक नहीं. प्रेजेंट टेंस बट नेगेटिव सेंटेंस. यू नीड नॉट गो टू कटक. आवश्यक इंग्लिशटा है नीड. यू नीड नॉट तुमर आवश्यकता नहीं go to Katak, Katak jibaku, not to go to Katak. तुमर कटक जीवाई जीवा आवश्यक नहीं. You need not go to Katak. This is present tense. And in past tense, तांकर घर करने आवश्यक नथिला. It is past tense. He did not need to build a house. It is from past indefinite. So we use did as it is a negative sentence. As it is a negative sentence, so here we are using did and आवश्यक need. घर तैयारी करने वाला build a house. तैयारी करने वाला build BUILD house है घर. तांकर घर करने आवश्यक नथिला. He did not need to build a house. He did not need to build a house. This is past tense. Need not. तुमरा औषध खाइबा आवश्यक नहीं. जो आवश्यक नहीं अर्थ need not. Need not. You need not take medicine. तुमरा औषध खाइबा आवश्यक अछि. You need to take medicine. But as it is a negative sentence, so we should say like this: you need not take medicine. Future tense. Present tense रहा तुम्हें एठाकू आसीबा आवश्यक नहीं. ये तीनटाला गोटेला प्रेजेंट, गोटेला पास्ट, गोटेला फ्यूचर. बर्तमान आम प्रेजेंट टेन्स पढ़ा. तुम्हें एठाकू आसीबा आवश्यक नहीं. यू नीड नॉट कम हियर. यह हूँ माय डायरेक्शन, वन ऑफ द डायरेक्शन ऑफ माइंड टू यू. यू नीड नॉट कम हियर. जदि या निर्देश को बुझेब ताले यू नीड नॉट कम हियर लिखा हे. तुम्हें एठाकू आसिया आवश्यक नहीं. यह कौन सी निर्देश को बुझेउनी. तेणुक यू डू नॉट नीड टू कम हियर. ऊपर नीड नॉट, एटा डू नॉट नीड. यू डोंट नीड टू कम हियर. तुम्हें एठाकू आसिबा आवश्यक नहीं. एटा यदि निर्देश दि जाउनी, खाली साधारण भाव कह जाउची, ताले एटा कया जीवो यू डू नॉट नीड टू कम हियर. एटा भी सेमती मु कहूची, माने निर्देश दउची से बगीचारे पानी मारेबा आवश्यक नहीं. ही नीड नॉट वाटर द गार्डन. नीड नॉट वाला आवश्यक नहीं. वाटर वाला पानी मरेबा कहतु वाटर द गार्डन. गार्डन वाला बगीचा. बगीचा तो पानी मड़िया दि जाए, पानी मड़िया हम से कहते वाटर द गार्डन. ही नीड नॉट वाटर द गार्डन. यहाँ मुझे कहूँ ये लगे नीड नॉट. से बगीचार पानी मड़िया आवश्यक नहीं. ये बाहर रु निर्देश मुझे किसी कहूनी, निर्देश दि जाऊनी. ही डज नॉट नीड टू वाटर द गार्डन. ही डज नॉट he means third person. Instead of using do, we should use does. Yes, do yes, does not. He does not need to water the garden. तुम्हें चिंता करने आवश्यक नहीं. ये मुझे कहूँ मोर निर्देश दिया होची. तुम्हें चिंता करने आवश्यक नहीं. You need not worry. You need not worry. जोटी बाहर जन किए कहूँ यू डोंट नीड ओरी. यू डोंट नीड ओरी. ये कई निर्देश दौना बाहर जन किए कहूँ तेणु यू डोंट नीड ओरी. In this way we have finished our chapter round. At the time of speaking, if I will say about myself, I can say like this, that I am forgetting to use the noun plural. Subject is plural and noun should be plural, but I am not using such type of noun. I should use yes or s, but I am forgetting to use that. To speak in English, you have to control your mind. At the time of speaking, what you are going to speak, you should think about that for a moment. But here I am thinking some seconds, otherwise I could not able to get the suitable word to finish the sentence. It is a difficult task for me, but due to regular practice, now I am achieving the goal. Now I am going to speak the correct sentences to the students, which I feel, not feel. Feel means पूर्ण करिबा, feel करिबा पूर्ण कर दवा, ताको feel कर. feel है अनुभव, which I feel माने अनुभव, मुझे जेटा अनुभव करूची. So yesterday from Ramayana I was saying about the Garuda, means Jatayu. He is the bird. He is also a devotee of Sri Ram. And from the Jatayu, Ram and Lakshmana came to know that Ravana has taken Sita to Sri Lanka by using his Pushpak Viman. So at the time of going to Sri Lanka, the Jatayu saw and he recognized Sita and tried to make a war with Ravana, because Jatayu is a strong bird. He can kill a man easily. But Ravana had cut his wing by using his sword. And when Ramchandra met Jatayu about Sita, and after describing all things, he died. Jatayu died. He was a great bhakt of Sri Ram. In this way, Ravana has taken Sita. As Lakshmana had cut down the nose of Suparnekha, the sister of Ravana, out of anger, Ravana has taken Sita. Here, Ram and Lakshman try to meet Sita, but Sri Lanka is not nearby the India, Bharat, but it is the opposite side of the sea. If you want to go Sri Lanka, you have to use aeroplane or any type of ship, small or big. At that time, that type of facility was not there. Only Ravana was using the Pushpak Viman. So there was no connection, road connection to Sri Lanka. Ramachandra and Lakshmana searched for a human who can go Sri Lanka easily with one jump from India to Sri Lanka. It is very difficult to jump the sea, one beach to another beach is a very great distance or a long distance. It is not possible to jump or to cover the distance from India to Sri Lanka. Namaskar.